Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
This is John Abraham, one of the greatest R&B artists, Neo, will be performing in Shillong on the 18th of November at the Cherry Blossom Festival. Talented artists performing there like Sanam, Hybrid Theory, Jonas Blue, and you know what? One of my favorites, Ronan Keating. So go, book your tickets.
Kumshibanta ban Pynlong ya culture jong ka Japan kanang baki weru kin tiplang ka Japan Embassy harengkat bar ka Japan Foundation New Delhi kan Pynlong ya ka North East Japan Caravan arajar atpulai ka balai singidenter hanong ba Shillong ya ka ni ka North East Japan Caravan laya tre rengkat bar ka Indian Council for Cultural Relation hapok ka jingalam jong N Munish Singh ya ka ni an sedang ha ka khat nyau trik mentau benai nai wing but an kut ha ka khat khandai trik mentau benai ka banlong ha u susutham auditorium but an sedang ha ka por lai baji jan mien Kinong penya na Japan ki balapoy hanong ba Shillong ki kunthum ya kamahu hakamata ka Yosuke Nakada ki badai na po ka Japan Embassy ka Oi Ishimaru bar ka Keiko Kushikawa.
And this is an opportunity to showcase the Japanese culture that we have and our youth especially to involve in every kind of aspects of the Japanese culture. This has been organized by the Japanese Embassy, New Delhi, and the Japan Foundation, New Delhi, along with in collaboration with ICCR, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Northeast region. Judo and the karate demonstration will be there, and I'm happy to announce that local youths will be there to participate and to showcase judo and karate demonstration. We have anime film screening, specially organized by the Japan Foundation. And then apart from that, many other things are there, like especially through Ms. Keiko Yoshikawa, this Japanese Lego is promotion by Japan Foundation in Delhi will be there. And along with that, there will be cosplay. Cosplay, as you all know, is very much talk of the town, and youths are really liking it. So cosplay, not only just the performance, but in cosplay we'll have lecture, then workshop, anime trivia games like that. So this is really a wholesome 3 days entertainment, full of different kind of aspects that our youths can understand and enjoy. Apart from that, we have this calligraphy also, and yukata, trying yukata, calligraphy, and origami like that. So then we have anime drawing contest also. So these are the varieties of items that we're gonna do during these 3 days of the Northeast Japan Caravan 2023. So I invite you all also in this festival. Please come and be a part of it. It's open to all.
Open to all, yes. Youth, everyone. I mean, not only youth actually, like youth to the elders.
Elders, everyone.
Everyone.
Different.
Yeah. We're happy if the people want to experience Japanese culture, language. Everyone who are interested.
And ours is a free entry. There is no ticket or nothing, so it's affordable to everyone. So we expect more audience, in that way.
It's never released in India, and I think the people especially Northeast, hardly have a chance to watch the anime in the big screen. So that's why we chose a very nice recent Japanese animes, and we want to showcase and enjoy the people, to enjoy the real anime.
How many movies we are screening? Four anime movies are screening during this festival.
Yeah. Some of them are like awarded also, like worldwide awarded anime also.
These films are from where?
Japan.
Yeah, Japan. All Japanese anime only.
Yeah. Like, for example, the movies that is being brought by Japan Foundation, Miss Oye and team, these are renowned movies which needs lots of copyrights and other things. So through them, it could be easily and free of cost. It is screening, like that. So many other things, like that. So in one roof, we will try to know the culture of Japan, and happening there, and that too, which is connects with the people of Northeast, whether it is youth or older generation, how we connect and how we have a cultural exchange. Someday we are doing it here. Someday the same local people may go to Japan and do something like that. So that thing the exchange of culture should be there. So this is, I believe, a good initiative from the Japan Embassy in Delhi, as well as Japan Foundation in Delhi, and ICCR Northeast. This collaboration work, I think it will really give a good boost to our local people here to know Japan and to understand Japan.